So now let us see the groups overlapping. So consider here one of the problem where we have written ones in this manner, and also you have along with that you have zeros in the K map. So if that is the case, how you can group? So our rule is we have to find the largest group possible in the K map. So first step is what you may do here is you may encircle ones in this manner, and also you may find other two ones are here left out, so that also you can group along with the ones which are already grouped. So this overlapping is right. Okay, this is possible in the K-map simplification. So another way, some other people they may think that they may not find quad um, quad. So what they may do, they may try to encircle in this manner. Okay, so this is totally wrong. This kind of simplification is wrong. You should not group in this manner, because we have to find the largest group possible in the K map. So which is the largest group possible? That is, you can group a quad here, or you can group four ones. So that is right manner of grouping. Okay, so this is totally wrong. Why? Because you have done pairing. Okay. The next thing is groups may wrap around the table. So that means see, you can see here there are four ones at the corner. Okay, so now how you can group this? So they are logically adjacent. So you have three variable K map here. So this kind of problem, when you are going to solve, you have to see here, one grouping is possible in this manner. Okay, that is leftmost cell in a row may be grouped with the rightmost cell of the and also the topmost ones. Okay, so this is one kind of mapping. So you can group in this manner, or another way of grouping is also possible. That is, I'll tell you how you have to group. Okay, so another way of grouping is you have to group all the corners. Okay, so topmost cell in a column. Okay, topmost cell in a column. So this is left column, this is right column. So topmost cell in a column may be grouped with bottom cell. Okay, so this grouping is also right. Okay, so there are two ways of grouping possible in this case. So now let us see the rolling of map. See, you can see in this particular problem, you can see there are, it is a four variable map, is it? So you can see one over here, and also one and one is placed in this particular positions. So now by seeing this, what you may think, you can do pairing. Okay, some students may think that you can do pairing, but that is not right. Why? Because you get two terms. Okay, instead of that, you can see a quad. Okay, so in the other problem, in the second case here, if you're seeing the same problem is being solved in a different manner. So what they have done, they have grouped the adjacent ones. So rolling of the map they have done, and you can see that corner ones are being grouped in this manner. So now you may think which one is right. Which one is right? So both are right, but which one is more right? Which one is more right? So this second problem what you have solved is correct. Okay. Why? Because you have got only, you have reduced the terms. So here you have got how many terms? Two terms. Okay. Two terms you have got, because separate pairings you have done. So here what is this equation? B C bar D bar is this one, and B C D bar is this. Okay, so two extra terms, you did not cancel any term here. Okay, so two extra two terms you have got here. But here what happened when you have done the quad grouping, that is when you have joined the corners, what you have got value for this group is b d bar, b d bar. This is right. So now let us take one more example here. See this problem now. Okay, so they have overlapped groups. Okay, in this case, so if that is a problem here, first what you will be doing, you will be finding the, if this is a problem, you will be finding the first largest group that is possible here is octet. Okay. Then one will be placed here, is it? So that is left out for grouping. So what will be do next step? So this is the first step. Next step is you will be, you have one left out, is it? So that will be paired with this. So this is right. So another way of grouping is also possible, but that leads to a different equation. Okay, which is again here, which is more right. First kind of problem is more right, you can say. Okay. So here another kind of grouping you can see here, that is they have grouped one octet and also octet, and one single one that was left out they have grouped in this manner, but this is not proper. Okay, this is not a right answer, this is correct answer. Okay, so now let us see another rule here for simplification of a map. What they are saying is there should be as few groups as possible, as long as this does not contradict any other previous rule. So what is this means is, if you are seeing these two problems here, it is same way they have written ones and zeros also here. In this way, in this problem also you can see that there are same number of ones and same number of zeros. So there are two different kinds of groupings you can see in this particular problem. So what you can see here is, one student may do the mapping in this manner. Okay, so he may think it's right answer. Another student may map in this manner. Okay, so groupings both have done, but which one is right? Which one is more right? This is more right. This is wrong. Okay, so one student may get full marks, another student may get 0 marks. Why? Why? The grouping is almost similar, but which is more right? The first one is more right. So here, if you see the expression, you will be getting, you will know why it's more right. So if you are writing the expression for this, what is the expression now? It is only C bar. If you are writing for this, what is the expression for this? It is, how do you write the expression? It is C bar gets cancelled. So it's again a quad, so it's only A. Only B gets eliminated, so only A. So your expression will be C bar plus A. So this is the answer, final answer. Y is equal to, what you will be writing? Y is equal to C bar plus A. Okay, so if you are writing the expressions for this, you will be getting three different terms. Okay, so that is why this is wrong. The second problem will give a different expression, so that's why this is wrong. So take one more K-map problem. So let us see this particular problem here. So you have already mapped all your table values to the K map. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 here, and zeros here, and ones here, and again 0 and 1. So like this we have written the K map. So now we have, what is the first step? We have to group. We have to start grouping. So first rule is we have to see which is the largest group possible. You can see an octet here, so it will be trying to group in this manner. And again, if the two ones are left out, so that's why you will be trying to pair in this manner. And also you can see that there is one left out, so you will be doing this manner. So some students will solve in this manner, okay, and they will write the expression. So what will be the expression for this particular problem? Y is equal to C bar, it is C bar for this, and A bar, C, D bar they will be writing for this, and A, B bar, C, B bar will be written in this manner, and some students may solve, uh, get the answer this way. Okay, so other student may try to solve in different manner. His thinking may be different from you, so he will try to solve your problem in this manner. Okay, so now let us see what is the expression for this. So what he has done, he has again grouped 8, and then he has two ones here. So he has overlapped this particular uh, groups, and then he has done overlapping here also. So what will be the expression for this? It is C bar y is equal to C bar plus A bar D bar plus AB bar D bar. Okay. So this is one more, another second student will be getting the answer in this manner. The third student may do different kind of problem, and he will try to solve what he will be doing. So he will be mapping in this. Okay, he will try to group. He will try to group in this manner. Okay, and also the corners, once whatever he sees, no, he will be grouping, and he will be trying to write the expression. So now I'll be writing expression for octet, that is C bar, and next thing is A bar, A bar, D bar, okay, that will be written for this. And next thing is for the corners, whatever you have left out, so that will be written for this, that is B bar, D bar. So now we'll be counting how many literals you have here. So we have to, in every SOP expression, we have to get lesser number of literals. So that is the first rule you have to remember. Okay, so if you count the literals now, how many literals you have here? 1, total number of literals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 literals. 8 literals you got here, is it? 8 literals. If you see this problem, the second problem, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lesser number of literals. So final aim is we have to get less number of literals. So another student has solved the problem, and he has got the expression in this manner: y is equal to C bar plus A bar D bar plus B bar D bar. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 literals. So the teacher may conclude that which one is more right? Which one is more right in this? The last problem is more right. Why? Because he guys got less literals compared to the previous. So the full marks will be provided to the last student. Why? Because he has got a lesser literals. So our aim is in the K map you have to get a simplified equation which gives you a minimum literals. Okay, we have to form expression so that that expression can be, when it is being implemented, you have to get a simplified expression, and it has to give minimum number of kids and minimum number of literals. So now let us take one more problem where you are going to see elimination of redundant group. So let us take a particular problem here. That problem is in this manner. So you can see all ones here in this, that's placed in this manner. Okay. So let's go problem actually. So what you may be doing at the first step, if you have to group the largest group possible in this particular email. So that's why you are going to group quad in this way. So here, it is how we are going to eliminate the redundant group. So first, you have done a mapping this manner, and then you have done this and this, and this grouping is possible, and you have also done this grouping. So now the group inside, which is a quad you have, no, so that is a redundant group, so you have to eliminate it, and after elimination your k map will be in this manner, and you have to write expression y expression for the last k map. Okay, after removal of the redundant group. So let us see the summary of K-map method for simplifying the Boolean equations. The first step is enter a 1 on the K-map for each fundamental product that produces a 1 output in the K truth table. Enter zeros elsewhere. So what you have to do, say you will be having provided with the truth table. So seeing that truth table, you have to map those values to the K map. So first thing is you have to enter all ones to the K map. Then you have to rest of the values which are left out is considered as zeros. There you have to enter the zeros. And encircle the octets of quads and pairs. Remember to roll and overlap to get largest groups possible. So what you have to do first, observe the octets in the K map. If octets are not there, you have to go for grouping the quads. If quads are not there, then you have to see where you have pairs. Pairing is possible, that you have to see. If pairs are also not possible, you have to group only one single values. Okay. And then next step is, if any isolated ones remain, encircle each of them. Eliminate any redundant group. So after grouping, if you find any redundant group, then you have to eliminate it, and later you have to write the Indian expression by ORing the products corresponding to the encircled groups.